Okay, we, okay.
Ilang unyara ko eh. Unyara sa dunulon unyara lang unya. Matagaan naman tatanan kay ihap naman. Kapit na lang.
There's hanging. Okay, it's okay. Give her one. I'm gonna have to get some more.
How about these days?
Yeah. Hers okay. I'm gonna have to get some more. And I know you got 2 kilos earlier. I know.
Yeah, wala pa. Linyasa na wala pa.
I'm gonna have to get some more.
Linyasa na wala pa.
Did you get some? You got your rice? Okay. No, not them.
Mana na ito sila to?
Okay.